Hello to all of you students of SAME 4 MSc Chemistry. Students, let us we start Organic Special 1 paper Unit 2 Organometallic Reagent 2, in which today let us see organozinc reagents or organozinc compounds. Students, you already know zinc that already belongs to third B group in periodic table, and its outermost electronic configuration you know it is D10 electronic configuration. From this you can conclude that its d orbital is completely filled, that means there is no chance to enter or to donate the electron. Due to this, the oxidation state of zinc is +2 and it is mostly stable due to the completely filled d orbital that contains 10 electrons in it. Due to this reaction, the reactions of organometallics usually do not involve changes in the oxidation. If you see the lower dialkyl zincs, these organozinc compounds, they are named like dialkyl zinc compounds, in which two alkyl groups are present or somewhere aryl groups may be also present. So they are known as dialkyl zinc compounds. If we see when the alkyl group is smaller, that dialkyl zinc are known as lower dialkyl zinc. They are mostly volatile and non-polar compounds. That means they doesn't show any polarity. And if we see the evidences, then all the available evidence shows that they have simple and unassociated structures with linear CZNC type of skeletons or structure. That means zinc is present in the middle and the carbon of alkyl group on one side and the carbon of other alkyl group on the other side, carrying the linear structure. If you see the diaryl zinc compounds, they are mostly or higher dialkyl zinc compounds. They have mostly low melting solids and similar structure. Mostly dialkyl zinc compounds, they have a tendency to form complexes with electron donors. Ethers, amines and sulfides form weak complexes, whereas difunctional donors form stable crystalline complexes. Now let us see about the preparation. Students, this is the first lecture and this is only on the introduction about the organozinc compounds and their preparation. Let us see about the preparation. This is one of the most important preparation and very easy preparation. You can see on a screen also. In a preparation you can see that the dialkyl zinc, that is organozinc compounds, they are prepared by the reaction of alkyl halide and zinc. If excess amount of alkyl halide is to be reacted with zinc, you can get RZnX, alkyl zinc halide. Now excess of two molecules used after removing ZnX2, the product we need, that is R2Zn. You already know how to complete the reaction and how to balance the reaction. Now there is another method for the preparation of organozinc compounds, that we can react organolithium compounds with zinc halides. Also we can react organomagnesium compounds with also the zinc halides. So we can see that the organolithium compounds or organomagnesium compounds on reacting with zinc halides firstly gives to the formation of alkyl zinc halide by removal of LiX or MgX2. In the second step, again alkyl zinc halide is to be react with alkyl lithium that gives to the formation of dialkyl zinc. In the similar way, alkyl zinc halide again with RMgX, that is alkyl magnesium halide, it gives to the formation of dialkyl zinc by removal of MgX2. Student, this is one of the most easy topic of organozinc compound. In the next lecture, we will see Reformatsky reaction and Siemens-Smith reaction.